We guide you through how the quickest way to change your Shopify store name. So, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then navigate to settings at the bottom left corner, click on store details, and here you'll see your current store name. Simply type your new desired name into the store name field, double check the spelling and capitalization to ensure it matches your branding. Then scroll down and hit the Save button to apply the changes immediately. Note that updating your store name won't automatically change your domain. So if you want your web address to match, go to the domain section in the settings and either purchase a new domain or update your primary domain to reflect your new store name. And finally, clear your browser cache and refresh your website to make sure all pages show the updated name correctly. And that's it.